Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a custom channel URL for your YouTube channel. So this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Creator Studio. So just go underneath your user account at the top and then open up your Creator Studio dashboard. Try clicking on the little gear icon. And you want to go down on the left side here until you get to Channel. And then underneath the channel and status and features, you want to scroll down until you get to custom URL. You want to click inside this box if there's a hyperlink in here. So I've already selected my custom URL, but if you did not, you'd have the option to click inside of here and then you would insert your channel name. So hopefully if it was not taken, if anybody were to type in your username on the search menu up at the URL bar and then type in your actual channel name and not some random letters and characters, it would redirect them to your channel page. So it's a nice little feature, and I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.